All right, so this is really a continuation of the previous one. We're looking at Module 4, Lesson 12, and we're continuing from the opening example. Right now we're on page 148 when it asks us about points A and B being at -4, 5, and B being at 12, 13. It asks us to find a point 2/5 of the way between A and B. So we can really just do a couple of quick calculations. Over here in the input bar, we know the distance, the length of AC, and it's telling us we need to find 2/5 of that, so we could certainly do that. We could do 2/5 times, and we can either use the symbol B, like it labeled it, or we could just call it AC. That would work too. And it came up with a number. It labeled it F for us, which is fine. We can use that later. And we also want to do 2/5 of whatever BC is. I'll use the asterisk for the star, and let's see what we get for that, 3.2. So to find the point, we should just add the 6.4 to the x coordinate and 3.2 to the y coordinate, and we should have our point. Or does it tell us, label it anything? C? We already have a C. I'm just going to call it D because C's out on the chart already. All right, I'm going to use -4, the x coordinate of point A, plus, I'll just use the shortcut F, comma, 5 plus G. So that does. It went ahead and labeled point D. The only thing I couldn't do is make it match up because, like I said, I already have a C out here. And that G 2/5 of AB. We could prove that out if we wanted to, find the length of it. We'll just go with the measuring tool here. I'll measure up A to D. It tells me it's 7.16 units. I can measure up D to B, 10.73, and I can measure up A to B if I didn't already do that. 17.89 units. And we could just really just do our calculation. 2/5 times 17.89. And that little length should be 7.16, which it is from A to D, and D is right on the line. So I think that finishes up example 1 on pages 148 to 149. All right, we'll be back with another one again soon.